Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for your Tesla's performance, safety, and efficiency. Incorrect PSI can reduce range by 10 to 15%, increase accident risk, and cause uneven tire wear. This video will guide you through checking and refilling your Tesla's tires, ensuring optimal driving conditions. We'll cover everything from using the Tesla app to manually inflating your tires. Your Tesla's touchscreen provides real-time tire pressure data. To access it, navigate to Controls, greater than Service, greater than Tire Pressure. This screen displays the PSI for each tire. Tesla recommends 32 to 36 PSI for front tires and 32 to 41 PSI for rear tires, depending on your model and load. These values accommodate Tesla's low-profile tires. Note any discrepancies or alerts indicating low pressure. The Tesla app provides convenient remote tire pressure monitoring, allowing you to check your vehicle's tire pressure from anywhere. Open the Tesla app and navigate to the Vehicle section. From there, select Tire Pressure to view the current readings. Here you'll see the current PSI readings for each tire. For example, the front left shows 44 PSI, front right 45 PSI, and both rear tires at 44 PSI, while the recommended pressure is 42 PSI. The app also sends proactive alerts if tire pressure drops below 32 PSI, Tesla's recommended minimum, helping you maintain safety and efficiency. This remote monitoring feature provides convenient access to tire pressure information without needing to be near your vehicle. While Tesla's digital systems are accurate, manual checks with a digital gauge are still recommended monthly or before long trips for the most precise readings. Start by locating the tire placard on the driver's side door jamb, which shows the recommended PSI for your Tesla model. To check a tire, first remove the valve cap from the valve stem on the wheel. Then press the digital gauge firmly onto the valve stem to get a reading. PSI stands for pounds per square inch, measuring the air pressure in the tire. Compare your reading to Tesla's recommended PSI, typically 32 to 36 PSI for front tires and 32 to 41 PSI for rear tires, depending on your model. Many Tesla models, including Model 3 and Model Y from 2022 onward, come equipped with a built-in tire inflator kit for convenient refills. First, locate the inflator hose, which is typically stored in the trunk or frunk of your Tesla. Next, connect the hose securely to the tire valve stem. Then, plug the inflator into the vehicle's 12-volt power outlet to power it up. Use the touchscreen to monitor the tire pressure in real time as you inflate. Tesla recommends 32 to 36 PSI for front tires and 32 to 41 PSI for rear tires, depending on your model and load. This integrated system allows for quick and easy tire refills without needing external tools or equipment. If your Tesla doesn't have a built-in inflator, or if you prefer an alternative, visit a Tesla supercharger or service center. Many superchargers offer free air. If using an external inflator, avoid non-Tesla inflators due to compatibility concerns with low-profile tires. Always monitor the PSI while inflating to prevent overinflation. When you have your Tesla tires rotated or replaced at a service center, the tire pressure monitoring system automatically recalibrates itself. Tesla has eliminated traditional reset buttons to reduce user error, instead relying on digital calibration through the vehicle's software. The system begins recalibrating immediately after the service, but it may require a short drive of a few miles for the sensors to accurately register the new tire positions and pressure readings. This automatic process ensures your TPMS stays accurate without any manual intervention. Tesla's TPMS uses wheel speed sensors and direct pressure sensors to monitor each tire continuously. After rotation or replacement, the system learns the new configuration automatically, maintaining the same level of accuracy within 1 to 2 PSI. If you notice any persistent issues with pressure readings after the service, such as inaccurate alerts or failed calibrations, consult your Tesla owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps or contact Tesla service for assistance. The system is designed to be reliable, but professional help ensures everything is working correctly. To ensure your Tesla's tire pressure monitoring system works accurately, keep your vehicle's software up to date. Over-the-air updates, like version 2022.40.41 or later, enhance TPMS readings, and provide better notifications for pressure changes. Tire pressure sensors have a lifespan of about 5 to 7 years. Over time, they can become less reliable, leading to inaccurate readings. If you notice inconsistent pressure data, it may be time for sensor replacement. If your TPMS shows unusual warnings or low pressure alerts that don't match manual checks, a sensor may be faulty. In such cases, schedule an appointment at a Tesla service center for diagnosis and replacement. Proactive tire maintenance is key to extending tire life by 10 to 15%. It also ensures optimal safety and vehicle performance, reducing the risk of accidents and maintaining battery efficiency. Make the most of Tesla's integrated tire pressure system. Access readings through the vehicle's touchscreen or mobile app for convenient, real-time monitoring and proactive alerts that help maintain your tires effectively.